Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super and a best wallpaper application. It's called Google Wallpaper, and it have a lot of connections like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the Google Wallpaper application from the Play Store. Just type as Google Wallpaper. You can automatically download this from the Play Store. So this wallpaper have a lot of category of collection of wallpapers. For an example, if you have a sea scape, so you can see there is a lot of sea or images, and here you have a geometric shapes. Every images was so high quality, and you have a solid color wallpapers or odd wallpapers, and also they provided wallpapers with high quality. You can see and here the earth view wallpaper, my favorite collection, and this is a city view wallpaper. So this is my earth view, my favorite wallpaper from this collection. So you have a high quality of wallpaper. You can see how it's look like. It has a high quality of wallpaper. There's a different collection of cityscapes and life, and also some abstract and patterns of wallpapers in this application. So if you just need a beautiful wallpapers, you can just use this application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.